What's up, people? Like I told you, we're out here trying to catch some fish. And we know that he has bass and largemouth bass and catfish in this pond. And that's what we use for bait. Arbor hot dogs, $1.50 at the dollar store. And if that don't work, that's some turkey bacon. We're just gonna put it on a hook, throw it out there, and see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's up.
Just grab the thing.
I am gonna throw a spinner. Yep. Can't get a bass or two.
Grab that.
Okay, watch it. Yeah. You getting any bites?
No.
Unbelievable.
Video sponsor brought to you by White Claw.
It's not. I kind of wish it was, but it's not.
Stop.
Sorry if it's windy.
It ain't hot.
I ain't got no mic. I ain't one of these high dollar YouTubers. I'm poor. Alright, folks. We switch spots. Take it easy. Switch spots and try some stuff out. We're trying to get supper. You know how it is. Corona. People act crazy. Time me a little Guggen spinner on. There it is. Here's a Guggen spinner. Here's your spinner. I missed it. I was daydreaming. Right by the show. Oh yeah. It's little. It's little. Can't get much on him. Good one enough. What? You're too lax. Too lax. That was a good one. Get him up. I think we can make do. No. Alright, I forgot to get this one on video. Yeah. Golly! That's a big boy. Or girl. Whatever. Sheesh, boys. We done? Probably so. Look at that. Oh. Ah! Ah! No!
Are you still videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing. Hello.
Moment of truth, how the Bubba Blade does.
Papa!
You want down?
Papa, are you gonna send that one?
Alright. We're trying out this new Bubba Blade. It is a cordless electric fillet knife.
Mm-hmm.
Brand new. Straighten her up, yeah. Oh, that's butter.
Ready?
That's gonna put it up.
No, that's for me.
Ooh, Caleb, that's good.
Come on, get out there. Hold on, the hook's about there.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. Keep going, keep going. Nice.
Hey!
That was dang near perfect.
Almost.
Ish.
If you said this one. Yeah.
Hot.
Got hot pretty quick.
That's it.
Don't fishy. Fishy down. You wanna do yours?
No, I'll go with it.
No, you do it.
No, go ahead.
No, I want you to try it.
Please.
Hey, there's like green in here.
Oh.
Here, I'll do it.
I was like, get a try of that Bubba Blade.
There's green all in here.
It's kind of a pain. You can mess up pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Stop taking green out, babe.
You get the vacuum in there.
I have to edit that out.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of editing.
You think y'all have to take one fish out?
Come again?
Take one fish out?
No. Yo.
No. Oh God.
Breaking the vacuum? Yeah, the vacuum's the
Say something.
This little Bubba Blade does a decent job. What's up, folks? We are fixing to cook the fish that we caught. I know a lot of people are probably going to talk mess because we're going to cook largemouth bass, but I like them, and they eat really good. So right now, we got some Frenchy fries. And we got some fish in here. Yeah. Either way, we'll cook some of the bass. Alright, here it is. We're gonna have Renlee take a bite. What do you think? 1 to 10. 1 being terrible, 10 being amazing. What do you think? Okay.
I'll say 10.
10 out of 10?
Oh God.
Oh my gosh, that's what I'm talking about. Bam. Alright. Hazy's turn. Here, bite. She don't want none.
What do you think, Coco?
I definitely.
As far as fried fish go, I'm gonna say
Give it an 8 to a 10.
7.3.
Okay.
Cameron, what do you think?
It's a good 9.
9.
I said a 9 to a 10.
There you go.
I like your mashed potatoes.
You're talking about.
Whenever you scrape your mashed potatoes. No, they are shaped like this, but you scrape mashed potatoes.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Longer.
Son of a gun!
So that what we got cooked.
Oh yeah. Oh, Renlee, why are you crying? You're on YouTube. Oh, we're videoing right now, folks. Oh, we'll blur you out. Ha! Just kidding.
Blaster. Sit down.
Here it is.
Frenchy fries. What else? Sit down.
What you think? Is it good? Is it good? Eat it. Take a bite. Let's see. Be a big girl. Take a bite. Let's see.
I'm not going to eat that much.